What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and this is going to be a quick update video. We're going to be touching about two different things. One, Darkmodder just released his updated jailbreak, which he claims to be 100% stable. Now we're going to go ahead and test that out. And the second one is an unofficial HEN being updated again. We're going to check that out as well. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see here, Darkmodder has released a video and he mentioned that he finally been able to achieve 100% success rate stable jailbreak. Now this is what he just posted up. Now he did mention in a pinned comment that there was an issue and there was a problem and he updated it. But then if you do get the jailbreak failed alert, just go ahead and hold the PS button, and that's how you normally restart without closing the alert. Okay, let's go try this out. I'm gonna go and connect my PS4 up now and let's go. Alright, here we go guys, just remote played into my PS4, just gonna get that into full screen mode. As you can see, I was using Mohammad Fade before, so I'm gonna go ahead and clear up all the, I'm gonna delete all the cookies and clear the website data as well, so we can start fresh. Okay, well I do have Darkmodder in the bookmark, so I'm gonna go and load that up and let it cache from the beginning. Okay, so as you can see, it's caching right now. Alright, so now it's done caching. Alright guys, so Darkmodder has this website that is auto jailbreak, so you don't have to do anything, you just have to sit and wait there. So it's running the jailbreak exploit, and good news, it loaded up. Okay, cool. So I like how Darkmodder still has Mira no HP and HEN and Mira unofficial. So I'm gonna go for HEN as usual. So let me go click on HEN, loading, please wait, and here we go guys, HEN 2.1.3. Great, let me just go and try a game out, and let's try Need for Speed Heat. Yeah, ignore that. Oh guys, this was pretty messed up. When I tried launching the game, my PS4 had a kernel panic. Honestly, I was not expecting that at all. Had a kernel panic, as you can see, my remote play just died, and if you look over here, it's gone. So I need to go and restart my PS4 again. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. It literally just kernel panicked just when I started a game. Alright, so let's go and restart this thing up. Okay, here we're back again after a restart and running jailbreak exploit. This time I had a jailbreak failed. Now he did mention to go ahead and press the PS button right before closing the pop-up and hit on restart, but when I did that, my PS4 kernel packed again. So as you can see, the screen is stuck from my remote play. It's completely frozen, it's completely gone, it's no longer connected, and I had to restart my PS4 one more time. Okay, so third attempt, here I am after having to deal with the ugly screen of it checking my hard drive. Running the jailbreak exploit, and this time, okay, well it went through perfectly fine. Let me go and click on HEN. Load successful. Great, welcome to PS4 HEN. Alright, so now we've jailbroken again. Let's go ahead and test out the same old method like the first time. I'm gonna run Need for Speed Heat again. It kernel panicked again. My PS4 just kernel panicked and just shut down. As you can see, it's no longer connected over here, and my connection is dead. Kind of weird, I never used to have these kind of stability issues before. Alright, well, let me go restart the PS4 and try again. Alright guys, so back again at the PS4. So this time go ahead and try Leeful instead. So since I had deleted everything, so I'm just letting this cache again. So once this finished caching, I'm going to try Leeful's version 6. Alright guys, so I'm going to click on load exploit plus HEN. Exploit loaded, great. And now loading HEN, HEN's loaded as well. Great, there we go. So PS4 HEN 2.1.3 is loaded up. So I'm going to go ahead and try the same thing again. So let's go and open up Need for Speed Heat and see how this goes. Alright, so we're at the load screen. Give it a second. And it works perfectly fine. Wow. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to work without any issues. There you go guys, the load screen and everything is loading up. Okay, well that worked. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to restart the PS4 and I'm going to try a different exploit out, just to see if everything is working fine with a different exploit as well. Okay guys, so here we are back again, but this time I'm not going to try Leeful, I'm going to try Mohammad Fade. I'm just installing the cache again because I deleted the cache before. And once it's done installing the cache, there we go, it's all good to go. I'm going to go and click on HEN. It has a weird bouncy effect right now, so let's go click on HEN, loading exploit and HEN. Let's see, exploit loaded, good to know. Yeah, surprise, surprise, check this one out. It's PS4 HEN version 2.2.1. Yeah, this is unofficial guys. Again, it's unofficial, and I'll explain a little bit about that at the end of the video. But for now, let's go ahead. It's kind of jailbroken right now, so as you can see, let's go and try Need for Speed Heat again. So here we go, it's loading up, and a piece of cake. There you go guys, it works perfectly fine, just like it should. So I'm not sure what's up with Darkmodder's exploit. It's kind of having some issues. So guys, someone asked me this in the last video, why I have not tested out rest mode. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this on rest mode. And what I'm going to do, as you can see, it's in rest mode right now. I'm going to send up a waking packet. And there you go. It's loaded up. However, you're going to notice something different now. Though I'm back from rest mode, it works perfectly fine. And I'm going to go check the jailbreak, go to settings, all the way down. It is still jailbroken. But however, when I go and try to run a game again, like for example, Need for Speed Heat, there you go guys, it gives me this error, cannot start the application. Now this is, I've noticed this happening maybe once or twice. When you come back from a rest mode, you try to open any game, it's not gonna work. Here's another example, when I try control, cannot start the application. So this is a known issue, and we're gonna go look that up. So I'm gonna restart the PS4 now, and here we are again. After a restart, I'm gonna go ahead and click on HEN again, loading exploit, and I'm actually pretty surprised that this is very stable. It's going through at all times. Launching HEN version 2.2.1, which is very unofficial. Let's give that a shot. Let's go back to Unofficial Heat. There you go, guys. It's working perfectly fine right after a restart. Anyhow, so what I'm going to do is let's go and talk a little bit about this new HEN 2.2.1, and that is very unofficial, as I mentioned. So if you look at Twitter, the Wolf Games is actually from 84 assists, and it's mentioned here 2dex is added, HEN is added, a spoofer for 8.0, and it says it fixed the rest mode, but honestly it has not, because once you come out from rest mode, you do have the issue that I just showed you. I want to stress again, this is unofficial and is not very accepted by the community. It's just some basic, updates being thrown around and some numbers being changed like crazy. So I wouldn't say it's all major updates. So you can just still go try it out. It's perfectly fine. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. I'm not sure about what's happening with Darkmodder side for my particular PS4, but go ahead and give it a shot and let me know if it is actually working successful for you. Let me know which PS4 you're using, and if Darkmodder's exploit is working for you, let me know in the comments. Oh, by the way guys, do let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me covering some game reviews for you guys. Let me know in the comments. As I mentioned, this is a very short updated video just to keep you guys updated on what's actually happening, and since it just came out a few hours ago, I want to make sure that I give you guys my experience and let you guys know about what's actually happening. Well anyway, you guys have a great day, happy jailbreaking, and I'll see you guys in the next video.